Hi, welcome to Out of Repair. We're just on the edge of Assa, which is an old fortress or fortification system, which is on the edge of Sahara. Now, we actually tried driving to this from Smara, coming up via Zag, but that was a military zone and not allowed. So we've attacked it from the other direction. We drove up the coast, then came inland along the top, and then came down to Assa. I managed to get the camper all the way through town, and we did have a few problems getting into the town. They wanted to check everything, do identification checks and go through the passport procedure. I have got that footage for you. Salam alaikum. Excuse, English?
English.
Turkish. You need passport? Yeah.
You have Shane in YouTube? You have Shane?
Have channel?
You have Shane in YouTube?
Yeah.
Destination? Your destination?
Well, we were coming from Samarkand to Zag, but they said no from Zag.
Zag, no, it's in zone military.
Oh, it's all military.
Yeah.
So we had to come all the way round to Assa, and now we go to
East?
Tata.
Tata?
Yeah, we're heading for Muzuga. Muzuga, but that's 2 days. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we're going to have a look at Assa, if it's okay.
Yes.
And then we're going to go down to
Marzuga.
1 second. Tata. Yeah. Sorry, navigator, just the driver.
Yes. You stay in Assa?
Maybe only a few hours, unless it's very special.
Thank you.
Well, that was a fantastic drive over the mountains. Can't speak too much at the moment, just in case they don't like the recording.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Shukran. I think Banksy's been here. 1 second. Can you focus that on that? I think we've got Banksy here. In difficult times we endure, and in great times we enjoy. Never truer said. Very good parking space down here. I'll see if I can put the translations up on the screen for you into English. Of these walls look like they're gonna, well, the first heavy rain might bring them down. Heat is incredible, and I couldn't bring water with me because it's Ramadan, and that would just make me disrespectful to them if I was seen by any locals drinking water. You always have to respect the culture, whatever country you come to, and everyone should. It's absolutely amazing how this place stands up. If they had any heavy rain at all, really a lot of it would get washed away. But it's been standing for hundreds upon hundreds of years. I haven't found out too much history on the place, but some of the walls, when you're walking through these, you are very concerned about something landing on your head. Seriously thirsty. My voice is starting to go as well. It's very hard wandering around in 35, 40 degrees when you don't have anything to drink. Now, anyone that knows me knows that I'm petrified of snakes, so I'm keeping a good lookout. This looks like irrigation creeks that run down. Well, this looks like the lowest point, so this must have been the original riverbed running through here. But wow, what a place. Not a tourist in sight. Paved footpath that goes somewhere. Let's follow it down. If you look down here, they've got the irrigation systems that run through when they're farming it. It doesn't actually look like they're farming it though. Oh, there we go. We've got a flowing creek through here. And this runs high, so it can irrigate, or the water can be directed to the irrigation. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of Assa. There's no point me staying in the town this evening. All the restaurants, places to eat are shut. I've got about an hour and a half drive now to the nearest campsite, and I might have to be driving at night, but let's face it, it's well worth it. Just a pity that a fire had ripped through here. Lovely town, lovely people, yet again. Thanks very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.